Hey guys, welcome to episode 44, and on today's episode, we are taking a look at a rudimentary basic 101 level of how to use your skiving machine. Now, a lot of the settings are going to all be dictated based on your project. So you'll have to dial your machine in, do a lot of testing, and figure out what is best for you and your project. So let's go take a look.
The four main parts that we are focusing on today is the presser foot pressure knob, the presser foot lift handle, different presser feet, and the edge guide. Grab a bunch of scrap leather and practice a lot. It is best to use leather that you will use on your projects. The NP4 has a servo motor, and that means you can control the speed of the spinning blade by how much you press on the pedal. To change the speed of the blade, simply press the plus button or minus button. The standard speed set at the factory is 2000 and can go all the way up to 4500. So this presser foot is 40 millimeters, and any leather that goes under it will get skived by the blade. Now, if you don't have the presser foot down, the leather will glide across the top whether or not the blade is spinning. When you lower the presser foot, you can see the skive that occurs. When your project needs a consistent edge skive, the simplest way to achieve those results is by using the edge guide. Simply rotate the guide to become flush with the presser foot. You can set the distance to whatever length you desire by sliding back and forth, and then tighten down the knob to lock in place. If you want the skive to be exactly a certain measurement, use a ruler to measure from the front of the presser foot to the edge guide. In this case, we are setting the edge guide for a 1/2 inch skive. And there you have it, an edge guide set for 1/2 inch. Now let's see how it looks. If you want to add more pressure, simply give the top knob a 1/4 turn increments and see what the results are. Here you can see that the presser foot has too much pressure and left marks on the leather. Here is some soft, pliable deer skin, and for this type of leather, we had to reduce the presser foot pressure, and now let's see how this skive works. And next up is some 5-ounce veg tan, and this reaches the limit of this machine. The NP4 Skiver works best with leathers up to 5 ounce. Next up is presser feet. Collectively, here are all 4 that come with your machine. There's the flat presser foot, the 25 millimeter, the 40 millimeter, and the 50 millimeter. To change them out, raise the presser foot and move the pressure spring to the side. Unscrew the side pivoting knob, move it backwards, and push the presser foot pin. Now remove the foot and take the pin out and put it in your new desired presser foot. Slide everything back into place and tighten the pivoting knob over the pin. Move the pressure spring back over the presser foot and you're all done. Now all you need to do is adjust the presser foot to how you want your skive to look and test it out on some leather. Just a reminder that these two knobs, along with adjusting your presser foot, will help change the angle and depth of the skive that you want.
Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this information has helped you, and good luck getting your Skiver all set up according to your desires and your needs. Alright, take care, and I'll see you on next week's episode.